Hello friends, in this short video I will show you a quick demonstration of a Dell rugged laptop. This is a Dell company rugged laptop. You can easily see the model says Dell. It's a rugged laptop made by Dell, Core i5 laptop. You can see this has a handle to carry a laptop which you won't find in regular laptops. Underneath a laptop you will see model, it says Dell Latitude 14 Rugged Extreme 7414. This is a slot, expansion slot, or you can say docking station slot. Here is a serial number, Windows logo, model number, voltage, etc. As you can see, this is a very heavy laptop. You won't find these type of laptops regularly. All the slots are covered. This is a dust proof and waterproof laptop. To open this laptop, you need to press this lock and laptop is open. Here is the first look of a laptop. You can see Dell logo. Keyboard, this is a very strong keyboard. Even you can put high amount of pressure on the panel of this laptop. You can see this is an i5 laptop. This is i5 6th generation laptop. You can also notice there are screws on this laptop keyboard. 4 screws are holding this keyboard. This is a very strong laptop and also dust and waterproof. You can pour lot of water on this laptop even when the laptop is working, and you can drop this laptop from reasonable height when the lid is closed. You can see the hinges are very strong, 180-degree hinges, not more than this. Touchscreen laptop. To turn this laptop on, here is a power button. You press the power button, there is a green indicator on the laptop and notification lights are here. Okay, as you can see, Dell logo. This laptop has an SSD hard drive. I'll show the hard drive also once the laptop boots and turn off. This laptop is already in use, so it takes extra time to boot because many softwares are installed in this laptop. Okay, as you can see, we have a mouse cursor, Windows welcome screen, pre-installed with Windows 10. Let's give few more seconds. Last time I give it a hard shutdown, therefore it is taking some extra time to boot. As you can see, Windows 10 is on. Let me quickly turn it off and then I'll show you the ports and other things of this laptop. Power, shutdown. This is a touchscreen laptop. The screen is touchable and this is resistive screen. This is not a capacitive screen laptop, resistive screen laptop, which means you have to put a slight pressure on the screen for screen to work. As you can use this laptop with gloves on. Okay, let's quickly. This says IO port. When you open, it says LAN port, serial port. You won't find LAN ports in today's laptop. Another port, it says LAN port and one USB port. LAN port and one USB port. This is USB 2.0 port. Another port, serial port, VGA port. All the covers are dust and waterproof. You can see there's a foam padding to prevent this laptop from splash and dust. There's a charging jack, 65 watt Dell regular charger. You can use it with this. Let's close it. The hinges are very strong. These are metallic hinges. You can see screws which you won't find or anybody won't love to have there on laptops, but this laptop have screws and metallic body. You can see this is metal body. The base is also metal. It is a metal or magnesium metal also. I'm not sure is it a steel or it is a magnesium. Okay, we have some more ports. It says EC port. When it says EC, there's a slot above and there's a SSD hard drive. To get the hard drive out, you have to slide this lever left and pull the hard drive. Okay, you can see this is a hard drive made in Taiwan. Hard drive, regular SATA connector, nothing special. Okay. To install it back, shut orientation and press, the latch closes and this slot closes. There's one more slot, it says smart card. You can see on the card it says smart card, USB port and SD card slot. There's a smart card slot, USB 3.0 slots and SD card slot. We have some more jacks on this side. This is headphone, HDMI and a USB port. Here we have battery compartment. Battery is also hot swappable. You can just slide this button down. Here we have a battery. Let me quickly show you the battery also. Okay. Same blue lever and just pull the battery out. Okay, battery is out. Okay, it says Dell 65 watt standard lithium rechargeable battery, type CJ2K1, 11.1 volts. You can see this is a very good quality battery, and there is also one button, battery indicator. These laptops are extremely well where there is an industrial use, high dust or high oil or something liquid work. The laptop is very heavy. Nobody wants to buy these laptops. Only industrial people buy this type of laptops. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.